You think forming an LLC has to be expensive, stressful, or loaded with legal headaches? Well, North Dakota might just be the secret weapon that you didn't know that you needed. With low startup fees, fewer tax burdens, and a surprisingly simple process, this state makes launching your business a whole lot easier. So in this video, I will walk you through every step that you need to set up your LLC without missing a thing. And it's worth mentioning that if you get the address wrong on one form in particular, you could be giving up your privacy forever without even realizing it. But we'll get back to that here in a minute. So first, let's talk about why North Dakota is a good place to start an LLC. Now, you might not instantly think of North Dakota as a business hub, right? But it's actually one of the more business-friendly states in the entire country. In fact, CNBC ranked North Dakota among the top states for business thanks to its strong infrastructure and stable workforce. The real draw, though, is cost. While states like California charge $800 in annual franchise taxes, North Dakota's LLC formation fee is a whole lot cheaper. Taxes stay competitive too. So for example, the state's corporate income tax, it tops out at 4.31% compared to like 10% in Minnesota. And if you're running a single member LLC, your profits pass through to your personal taxes, avoiding double taxation. So in short, forming an LLC here means lower costs, fewer hoops to jump through, and a fair tax climate. You get to launch your business without feeling like the system is stacked against you. So the first step in the process is picking the right name. And there are a few rules that you want to know before settling on one. But before we jump in too deep here into all this, right, here's one thing to keep in mind. So starting your business, it should be exciting and not overwhelming. But forming an LLC on your own, that can get really confusing fast, right, with all the legal forms, rules, and easy to miss details. Now, I will walk you through everything you need to know in this video, but if any part of this feels confusing, I've got a favorite LLC formation service that makes the whole process super simple and stress-free. It's guided, beginner-friendly, and it only costs $39. So if you hit any bumps along the way, just click right up here to get step-by-step help setting up your LLC the easy way. So here's something a lot of new business owners don't realize. Picking your LLC's name isn't just about creativity, it's about following rules. North Dakota has a few simple but strict guidelines that you need to know before you print business cards or launch a website. So first, your LLC's name, it has to include a designator like LLC or limited liability company. That's what makes it legally official. You also can't use words that would confuse people into thinking that you're, like a government agency. So no calling yourself, FBI Consulting or Treasury Financial. Now, the good news is that the state makes it easy to check if your dream name is available. So you can run a free search directly on the North Dakota Secretary of State's business database, which, by the way, is linked to below, along with every other resource that I mentioned in this video. Now, once your name is set, the next step is choosing a registered agent. And this is where a lot of beginners get tripped up. So what is a registered agent and why do they matter so much? Well, a registered agent is simply the person or company responsible for handling important legal and tax documents for your business. Things like lawsuit notifications or official notices from the state. Now, North Dakota requires every LLC to have one. Now, the agent, they must have a physical address in North Dakota and be available during standard business hours. If paperwork can't be delivered, say you're on vacation or out meeting clients, your LLC could miss deadlines or even lose a case by default. Now, you could be your own registered agent for your business, but you always have to be available, and whatever address that you use, it becomes a part of public record, so your privacy is basically gone. Now, this is why I recommend a professional service. So personally, my preferred provider is Northwest Registered Agent. I've used it myself, and they're really known for their stronger privacy protections, excellent customer service, and straightforward pricing. Now, if you hire them to help form your LLC, the cost is only $39. And one of the best perks of using them is that you can use their business address on your public filings, which helps keep your personal address private and cuts down on all the junk mail too. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and click right up here to learn more. Now next, let's talk about the paperwork that makes your LLC official, which is filing the Articles of Organization. So this is the step where business officially comes to life, right? Until you file the Articles of Organization, your LLC doesn't legally exist. Now, in North Dakota, you file this form directly with the Secretary of State, either online or by mail. The filing fee is $135, which is a one-time startup cost. When filling it out, you'll need some basic info. So your LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, your LLC's business address, the management structure. So will the LLC be member managed or manager managed? And then once that's all submitted and approved, the state will issue a certificate of organization, and that's basically your business birth certificate, okay? So think of this step like registering for your car, right? Until the paperwork is filed with the DMV, you can't legally drive it on the road. Well, the same goes for your LLC. You can't operate until this form is filed and approved. Now, next up, we'll cover something that many people overlook, which is having a proper operating agreement. So here's a step that a lot of new business owners skip, right? But it can save you some huge headaches down the road. Creating an operating agreement, okay? So an operating agreement is basically the rule book for your LLC. It spells out who owns what percentages, how profits and losses will be divided, and how big decisions get made. Even though North Dakota doesn't legally require this, they do not. Having this document in place is one of the smartest moves that you can make. So think about it here. If you start your business with a partner, right, and things are smooth at first, they're great. But what happens if one of you wants out, or if you disagree about reinvesting versus taking profits? Without an operating agreement, you're relying on state default laws, which may not reflect how you want your business to run. And also for single member LLCs, it's still a good idea because it proves your business is separate from you personally. That kind of documentation can be important if you ever need to show clear separation for your liability or taxes. So once your LLC paperwork is approved, the next step is going to be grabbing your EIN, which is short for Employer Identification Number. Think of it as the social security number for your business, right? You'll need an EIN if you plan on hiring employees, opening a business bank account, or paying certain taxes. Now, even if you're a single member LLC with no employees, most banks will still require an EIN just to set up your account. So it's smart to get one right away. But the good news here, it's actually free. You get it directly from the IRS website, and in most cases, you'll receive your number instantly after completing the short online form. This whole step is really quick and totally worth the effort, as it'll save you many headaches in the future. So next, we'll walk through an often overlooked step, which is registering for state taxes and business permits where required. So first up, sales tax. If your LLC sells physical products like retail items, clothing, or even baked goods, you'll need a North Dakota sales and use tax permit. The current state sales tax rate is 5%, and some local city or county rates can stack on top of that. Now, if you're hiring employees, you'll also need to register for employer taxes, which includes state income tax withholding. This ensures that you're sending the proper payroll taxes to the state on behalf of your employees. Now, on top of the state level requirements, don't forget about industry-specific licenses or local permits. So for example, a restaurant needs health permits, a contractor might need building licenses, and a daycare would have unique childcare licensing standards. So the North Dakota Business Licensing Information Center helps you sort this out. Think of taxes and permits as kind of the rules of the road, right? If you skip them, it's like driving without a license. It's fine until you get pulled over. But the good news, once you've registered, staying compliant is actually pretty straightforward as long as you file on time. Now next, we'll break down the annual requirements and compliance rules every LLC in North Dakota needs to follow to stay in good standing. So the most important step to stay in good standing is filing your annual report with the Secretary of State. The report is due every year by November 15th, and it costs $50 to file if you do it online. In the report, you'll confirm some basic details like your business address, members, and registered agent. It's less about new paperwork and more about letting the state know if your company is still active and accurate. Miss this deadline, and you'll have to pay some late fees. If you skip it altogether, the state can actually dissolve your LLC, meaning your company legally stops existing. And trust me, reviving a dissolved LLC is way more stressful and expensive than just filing on time. So next, let's wrap this all up with the true cost of starting and maintaining a North Dakota LLC. So first, let's talk about the different startup costs, right? So the biggest must-have is filing your articles of organization, which costs $135. And this is a one-time fee to formally create your LLC. Next, unless you're acting as your own registered agent, you'll want to budget for a registered agent service, which Northwest Registered Agent, they cost $39. Now, if your business needs special licenses and permits like food, construction, childcare, those fees, they vary widely depending on the industry and location, anywhere from $50 to several $100s. And now let's go into the ongoing costs. So each year, North Dakota, they require you to file an annual report. Cost for that is $50 and it's due by November 15th. Miss that deadline and you face late fees or even risk having your LLC dissolved. In addition, assuming that you use Northwest Registered Agent, you'll have to pay $125 per year to stay in compliance. And finally, the permits and licenses. So again, it's really hard for me to estimate the cost here because not everyone needs these, but you could probably budget $100 to $300 in most cases if you do need them. Now again, to help with this, I do advise you to use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which again, you can click right up here to check out, as they'll really help you stay in compliance year after year while you focus on running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me or are a little bit confused about the process, just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.